Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching ZAP and confirming Java is current because the engine depends on it. Once open, set the proxy to 127.0.0.1.8080 and configure your browser to route traffic through ZAP so requests are captured. Next, import your open API/Swagger file or set the target base URL to the API endpoint. This seeds endpoints automatically. Make sure authentication flows are planned now, since scanning unauthenticated routes wastes time, and you want a precise attack surface from the first pass. Once done with setup, trigger ZAP's API spider or use the imported open API to enumerate endpoints, because discovery defines what gets tested. Next, configure authentication. Set headers, bearer tokens, or an OAuth flow in ZAP's session handling, so scans exercise privileged routes. Then select target endpoints and launch an active scan focused on sensitive operations. This is where ZAP injects payloads to find issues. Monitor scan progress, review alerts as they appear, and pause to adjust scan rules if you see false positives accumulating. You finish by inspecting ZAP alerts, prioritizing by risk and reproducibility, because remediation should target high-impact findings first. Export the report in HTML or JSON and share with developers. Include request/response examples to reproduce issues. After fixes are applied, rerun scans and validate that authentication and error handling behave correctly. Make sure 401 and 403 responses are enforced. If scans hang or miss endpoints, enable ZAP debug logs, increase timeouts, or adjust spider depth to troubleshoot effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.